Chiliz value equivalent to 2.1518 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.1081, 2.1961. The earlier day close, 2.1609. The change was 0.0091. 0.42%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHZ. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost 2.20 rands, high 2.35, low 2.05. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, WAC 16, cost 2.30 rands, high 2.46, low 2.14. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, WAC 17, cost 2.25 rands, high 2.41, low 2.09. Chiliz gauge on Monday, WAC 20, cost 2.39 rands, high 2.56, low 2.22. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost 2.30 rands, high 2.46, low 2.14. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost 2.12 rands, high 2.27, low 1.97. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 23, cost 2.07 rands, high 2.21, low 1.93. Chiliz estimate on Friday, WAC 24, cost 2.10 rands, high 2.25, low 1.95. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, WAC 27, cost 2.07 rands, high 2.21, low 1.93. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost 1.99 rands, high 2.13, low 1.85. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost 1.90 rands, high 2.03, low 1.77. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, WAC 30, cost 1.86 rands, high 1.99, low 1.73. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, WAC 31, cost 1.95 rands, high 2.09, low 1.81. Chiliz estimate on Monday, April 3, cost 1.90 rands, high 2.03, low 1.77. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost 1.91 rands, high 2.04, low 1.78. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost 1.94 rands, high 2.08, low 1.80. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 1.91 rands, high 2.04, low 1.78. Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 7, cost 1.86 rands, high 1.99, low 1.73. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 1.87 rands, high 2.00, low 1.74. In about a month Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost 1.85 rands, high 1.98, low 1.72. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost 1.79 rands, high 1.92, low 1.66. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost 1.87 rands, high 2.00, low 1.74. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2023. In the first place cost at 2.41 rands, exorbitant cost 2.56. While low cost 1.73. The found the middle value of cost 2.16. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.95, change for spring 19.1%. Chiliz gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 1.95 rands, exorbitant cost 2.08. While low cost 1.64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.86. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.76, change for April 9.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 1.76 rands, excessive cost 1.95. While low cost 1.69, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.81. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.82. Change for May 3.4%. Chiliz estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.82 rands, excessive cost 2.26, while low cost 1.82. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.00. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.11, change for June 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 2.11 rands, excessive cost 2.11. While low cost 1.65, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.91, Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.77, change for July 16.1%, Chiliz conjecture for August 2023, at the outset cost at 1.77 rands, excessive cost 1.77, while low cost 1.39, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.61, Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.49, change for August 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.49 rands, excessive cost 1.51, while low cost 1.31. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.41. Change for September 5.4%. Chiliz conjecture for October 2023. To start with cost at 1.41 rands, exorbitant cost 1.73, while low cost 1.41. The found the middle value of cost 1.54. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.62, change for October 14.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 1.62 rands, exorbitant cost 2.01, while low cost 1.62. The found the middle value of cost 1.78. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.88. Change for November 16.0%. Chiliz estimate for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.88 rands, exorbitant cost 2.33, while low cost 1.88. The found the middle value of cost 2.07. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.18. Change for December 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 2.18 rands, exorbitant cost 2.18, while low cost 1.70. The found the middle value of cost 1.97. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.83. Change for January 16.1%. Chiliz figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 1.83 rands, excessive cost 1.83, while low cost 1.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.66. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.54. Change for February 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 1.54 rands, excessive cost 1.54, while low cost 1.20. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.39. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 1.29. Change for spring 16.2%. ZAR to CHC swapping scale equivalent to 0.4647 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4553, 0.4744. The earlier days nearby.